Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Melani. My registration number is A1M219047. I am from class A 2019 and from group sentence. In this section, I will explain about sentence. Let's start from the definition of sentence. Sentence is the largest unit of any language. It begins with a capital letters and ends with punctuation mark, such as full stop, exclamation mark, and question mark. According to Rahman 2018, sentence is a set of words consisting of one subject and one predicate that contains complete thought and meaning that can be implemented clearly. It means if there is a word that is arranged but do not have any meaning at all and cannot be understood the meaning, it means it's not the sentence. Let's move to the basic elements of a sentence. There are two basic elements of a sentence. First is the subject. The subject of a sentence is the person, place, or thing that is performing the action of the sentence. The subject represents what or whom the sentence is about. The simple subject usually contains a noun or pronoun and can include modifying words, phrases, or clauses. Second is predicate. The predicate expresses action or being within the sentence. The simple predicate contains the verb and can also contain modifying words, phrases, or clauses. Move to the basic patterns of sentence. There are 5 basic patterns of sentence that I will explain in here. First, I have S plus EV or subject plus intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is a verb that doesn't require an object. Example, they work it. They as a subject and work it as an intransitive verb. Move second example, Salwa dances gracefully. Salwa as a subject, dances as an intransitive verb. Next, I have the STVDO. Patterns includes a subject, a transitive verb, and direct object. Unlike intransitive verb, transitive verbs are verbs that have a direct object. Meanwhile, direct object is the receiver of an action. Take note of the subject, transitive verb, and direct object in the following example. Example, Justin likes coffee. Justin as a subject, like as a transitive verb, coffee as a direct object. Direct object answer the question what or whom. Example question, what Justin likes? The question, coffee. Therefore, coffee is a direct object in the sentence. Second example, Zaki broke a smartphone. Zaki as a subject, broke as a transitive verb, smartphone as a direct object. What did Zaki bring? A smartphone. Therefore, smartphone a direct object in the sentence. Next, SVVIODO. Sentence types includes a subject, a transitive verb, an indirect object, and a direct object. Indirect object is a noun or pronoun receiving the direct object. Example, he gave me flowers and chocolate. He as a subject, gave as a transitive verb, me as a indirect object, flowers and chocolate as a direct object. Second example, Hailey made Justin a cake. Hailey as a subject, made as a transitive verb, Justin as an indirect object, cake as a direct object. Remember that indirect object is a noun or pronoun receiving the direct object. Example question, who received the cake? The answer is Justin. Indirect object answers the question to whom or for whom. Example question. For whom was the cake made? The answer, Justin. Therefore, Justin is the indirect object in the sentence. Next, we have the STVDOOC. Sentence type includes a subject, transitive verb, direct object, and object complement. Example, they choose Zaid as their leader. They as a subject, choose as a transitive verb, Zaid as a direct object, their leader is a object complement. Second example, I found the book interesting. I as a subject, found as a transitive verb, book as a direct object, and interesting as an object complement. Generally, object complement are nouns or adjectives that describe direct object. Object complements here describe a direct object book. Then last, we have the SLVAC. Sentence type. This includes a subject, a linking verb, and a subject complement. Linking verbs are verbs that connect the subject with an adjective or another noun. Common linking verbs include be, are, is, was, were, and seems, while subject complement describe or provided information about subject. It can be adjective or a noun. Example, she is beautiful. She is a subject, is as a linking verb, beautiful as a subject complement. I think that's all my presentation. If I have mistake, I'm sorry, and I close by wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.